Okay, we're now on to our second sentence. And for our second sentence, we're going to write what is called a rhetorical question. So a rhetorical question is a sentence that ends in a question mark, and it's a question that you don't actually expect an answer. And they're used quite effectively in non-fiction reports. And so in this section here, we're going to plan some ideas of some sentence starters that could start our rhetorical questions. Now, I have already thought of some facts about the rainforest. You might have some other facts that you found out. Here are my facts. 30 million species live in the rainforest. Chocolate comes from the rainforest. Most animals live in the canopy. So I'm going to turn these 3 facts into a rhetorical question. So at the moment they are statements, they're sentences with full stops at the end. I'm going to turn it into a rhetorical question. So instead of saying 30 million species live in the rainforest, you could start with, did you know that 30 million species live in the rainforest? And then that would end with a question mark. Or maybe, changing this one, chocolate comes from the rainforest. Maybe it could be, have you ever wondered where chocolate came from? Or chocolate comes from? Question mark. So, did you know is a good sentence starter for a rhetorical question. Have you ever wondered? Could be a good start as well. Most animals live in the canopy, so maybe, can you believe that most animals live in the canopy? Question mark. So we're going to write now a rhetorical question about a fact about the rainforest. And that's going to be our second sentence after our alliterative heading. I'm going to look at my plan. I'm going to choose which sentence starter to start with. And I think I'm going to start with did you know? So did you know? You know. Now, what could be my fact that I'm going to turn into a sentence, into a rhetorical question? Yes, I found out a little bit earlier about some of the animals in the rainforest, which I was really interested by. It says, did you know that tropical rainforests are home to over half of the world's plants and animals. Plants and animals. Question mark. Okay, so that's the second sentence I want you to write, which is a rhetorical question, starting with a question starter. Did you know? Have you ever wondered? Or can you believe? And then think of a fact that you found out about rainforests and change it into a rhetorical question, remembering that question mark at the end. So pause this video and have a go writing a rhetorical question.